Hi, this is Sheila again, and I'm just recording my progress for my 12 weeks. No, I'm sorry, not 12 weeks, 6 weeks, 6 weeks after my right shoulder repair of my torn rotator cuff. So, at the doctor's office on my 6 weeks visit, um, I was able to take out my sling. The doctor told me that I don't have to wear the sling anymore, and I could make some active movements, just very simple active movements. Like, for example, if I am walking, I could like let my hand hang, and do that, um, which I did. And but still, it gives me really cramps. Over here, it feels like it's pulling. They also added some more other exercises, more a little bit of strengthening. So they added like the resistance band for me, and that really tires me out. Like I only have to do it every other day. So I do like 4 sets of 4 different kinds of strengthening exercises using the band, and also I'm still doing the range. My range is good, but it's still weak. Um, I'm not allowed to lift more than a cup of coffee weight. But this one I could do it if it's not too full. Um, and I can't pull or push anything really heavy. So, but at the end of the 8th week, I will be back to work. So I don't know how will that work with my keyboard and my mouse. But so far, the 6 weeks of visit has been really good. Everything that needs to be is in place. They didn't do any imaging for me because they said that I don't have any symptoms that would require to do imaging. If you're progressing and your pain is getting lesser, then you're going the right direction, and the therapists are also happy with the way my range is, and I am where I'm supposed to be. They told me I'm an achiever on my rehab. I'm a first honor apparently, so I don't know how true that is, but I'm trying. So that is it. Nothing really has changed. I am still having some pains every now and then. I still take my medications. I take my medications for pain as needed. But I think I mentioned it the last time. I moved from the 500 milligrams naproxen to just a plain ibuprofen, as needed. But I do notice because I'm trying to wean myself off it, I don't want to take it. And I feel like I could do it. But if I notice that if I don't take it in the morning, it really tires me out. The pain goes up, but it's not excruciating, but it's kind of like a moderate, 5 or 6. So if I take it even once a day, I think I'll be good. But sometimes I don't want to because I really want to wean me off of those medications. But sleeping at night without a sling has been really good. Getting in and out of bed also has been better, but it still hurt. So sometimes I still wake up and it feels like, it's really bothering me. However, my left shoulder is really bothering me. I fell 6 weeks ago. No, not 6 weeks before the surgery for this one. And it really hurt this one, my left. We did an x-ray here at the time. There was no fracture. And they did some testing on me, both my ortho doctor and my primary doctor, acutely when it first started, like the first 3 days. And then the following week was my ortho appointment. Excuse me. And they checked me, all those, you know, range. They didn't think that I have any rotator cuff injury, but maybe more of a irritation of the muscle. But I tell you what, this top shoulder right here, L, is really bothering me. So more to come on this. Now that I have more mobility, I am trying to do this more. I think it's also tiring out because it has been doing a lot since I couldn't use this because the pain came back 2 weeks after surgery when, even getting something from the cupboard. See there, I feel it right here. So I don't know if it's just I'm overusing it because it was also recovering from an injury, so we'll see. I hope not. That I hope I don't have anything that's going on with this. Anyway, as far as my right shoulder, it's going the right direction, and I will update you on the 7 or 8 week when I go back to work. Talk to you later. Bye bye.